Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. A quick video guys on Ford Fiesta ST today. If you're wondering where your fuel filter is located, we'll show you that now. Bad news, it's in the fuel tank. Okay, right there. So you have to remove the fuel pump, okay, to get to it. You can see, and it's not replaceable. You have to replace it with the fuel pump because it's the whole assembly. Okay, this is the filter right here. You can see, and this is the pump on the other side, but practically it's not replaceable. They don't sell individual filters for the ST. It's a lifetime deal, so you have to replace the whole fuel pump, filter, and you can see the level unit as well, and install a new one. That's the only way to go. If you want to see the video, we have it on how to repair, guys. Okay, how to get to here and how to remove everything. We have more than 200 videos, so taking the whole car apart pretty much. So if you need anything, subscribe, let us know, and we'll try to make a video. See you guys next time.